runner-up is another main title. Remember, we have Mrs. Earth International, Mrs. Earth, and we have Queen of Earth, the winner of the next main title to join the ranks of our champion queens is Malaysia! Mrs. Earth International. Now let's calm down. I'm going to go through this really fast. Our fourth runner-up, Australasia, Mona Moradi. Alright, our third runner-up is Mrs. Estonia, Angela Schneebeli. She's amazing. She did well in all the categories. Such a beautiful, disciplined woman. I need the mic adjusted a bit. Wow, this was so nail-biting. Then the top three step forward. The top three. This was one of the most nail-biting performances I've ever seen. And the score was so close. The second runner-up is India! Scored the highest, over 40,000 in the world children, all of them, to look after all little animals that they rescue. She is truly one of the most kindest, most beautiful women we have met. Isn't she stunning? Isn't she stunning? This is her! It's Russia! What a beautiful crowd! We have the husbands.
Весна, на улице опять весна, а пацанам соседский край мне не до сна. Ходи, отдали за окном, скоты рвали на куски, мне душ, где же ты? Она меня с ума свела, она, по поле горько забрала. И почему так сладостно от боли, позову я всех, не потерял пароли.
Can we have a husband? Where's the husband? Husband? Is that the husband? You know, he just sat down quietly through the whole Golden Week, not disturbing her. What a supportive husband. Can we have USA with her husband? USA and the husband, please come forward. The two most supportive husbands during Pageant Week. I wanted to prepare them a sash, but I didn't have time. USA, do you have your flag? We are going to create history. We are going to have Russia and America. America, come on.
Amerika, Trump.
Alright? Okay, can we have the queens? Can we have the pageant winners, please? The pageant winners, past queens, please exit, please. Take a seat down. Thank you so much, ladies. Can we have our queens, all our champions? Can we have our champion, our first runner-up? Can we have our second runner-up? Can we have, yeah. Can we have our second runner-up? Yes, thank you. Can we have our fourth and fifth? Fourth and fifth Mona? Yeah, first the top three. Top three. Yeah, okay. Top three first. Hold on. It's not your moment. Top three, get closer to the screen. Hold the flag. Yeah, the top three together. Thank you. Go in there.
Saya tegur tu.
Okay.
Okey, itulah dia pemenangnya. Telah diumumkan pemenang Miss Earth Grand Final Glamorously Green. So kita dah dapat tahu pemenangnya.
Can we have Kasturi Munyadi?
Okey, untuk kata semua, ini adalah Mrs. Puan dan Miss Earth.
This is USA, our top three queens.
tuan rumah kali ni ialah Malaysia. Saya rasa memang setiap di beberapa negara juga ada mengadakan Miss Earth Grand Final.
Alright. Everyone. We have one last surprise. One last surprise. Are you ready? Alright, ladies, step back. Just step back. Yeah, adjust the crown. It needs a ribbon at the end or pins, yeah? Okay, we have one last title, which is Mrs. Queen of Earth. The Queen of Earth is the title for the lady who fulfilled voting, who fulfilled advocacy, and had the most supporters tonight in the ballroom. Our Mrs. Queen of Earth is Kelly Cole! Alright, ladies, thank you. Can we have all the champions? Thank you, ladies. Can we have all? Thank you. We can take pictures downstairs. Now, just all the champions. The international Canary Islands. This. Thank you, Tejaswi, Kelvin, Rachel. Just the champions, yeah. All the champions, only the champions. Can we have the champions? Just the champions. Kelvin, come. Kelvin. Yes. Yeah, up to the last
tak puas hati sebab kalah. Sebab kalah.
India, Malaysia, Russia, please come down. India,
Sebab kalah. Ni lah ya, sebab lewat habis dah sampai pukul 1 pagi ya. Dah sampai 1 o'clock lah, dia macam ni lah jadinya. Sampai pukul 1 pagi. Dia sepatutnya habis pukul 12. Kalau dah pukul 1 pagi memang macam ni. Tanya, congratulations, Tanya. Ini dia organizer dia. Inilah dia founder dia, organizer dia. Organizer Malaysia punya. Anugerah Miss Earth. Anugerah Miss Earth Grand Final. Malaysia punya kan, di Malaysia. Ni apa ni? Ini India.
Stop for a while, please. The press want to review the contestants.
yeah, the music. Can we have
sebab apa ada peserta yang membawa tim sorakan sendiri. Jadi ketika majlis untuk sidang media ataupun untuk bila dah final ni, wartawan-wartawan ingin menemu-ramah. So bunyi bising tu menyebabkan pergaduhan kecil tadi sebenarnya. Yalah, bayangkanlah bila dah final, dah diumumkan pemenang. Jadi sorakan tu yalah masing-masing nak bersorak lebih kan, bunyi gendang. Tapi ketika itulah jam 1 pagi ni, wartawan nak menjalankan tugas, fotografer nak menjalankan tugas official. So di situ berlaku sedikit kekecohan lah kan. Tapi semuanya berjalan lancar, semua okey. Okey, semuanya live TikTok. Okey, ni dia kita dapat ni kan. Ada banyak pemenang ni, ada banyak anugerah kategori, ada banyak anugerah. Ni Miss Earth Water, Miss Earth National, Top Model Earth 2026 ni international.
India and Malaysia. That's all they want. Russia, India.
Nanti saya nak pergi temu ramah sikit. Nak temu ramah sikit. Jangan marah. Kita memang akan cover banyak event. Ada event-event yang berkaitan dengan Islamik, banyak event.
And you wake up India with the very first round of Elite Mrs. Earth. Our champion, our winner, India. Here we go. The crown is coming back to India.
India. Can we have India, Russia? Yes, yeah. This woman. Nick, where are you?
Okey,
Everybody, please.
ada yang bertanya siapakah pemenang untuk kategori Mrs. Mrs. dimenangi oleh
Interview you all.
US.
India,
ni,
Russia.
ni.
Russia, come.
Ini pemenang dia US.
Okay, Kennedy Islands.
Tak, siapa dia orang ni semua? Tak gaduh-gaduh di sini. Pukul pakcik. Kita tengok barang hilang aja. Cuy, tengok barang. Tengok barang. Tengok barang nanti hilang. Tengok barang kita. Okay, sekejap ya. Saya akan kepada penonton kita, saya akan pergi dapatkan pemenang setiap kategori. So kita biarkan dulu mereka susun. Lepas tu saya sendiri akan pergi temu ramah.
Yes.
Ciao dah.
Dah tu lah. Kita ada cover sikit lah.
Where's our Miss? Where's our Miss?
Tak ada. Tadi yang gaduh-gaduh tu sebab bising-bising sebab nak ambil gambar. Ketika tu dalam dalam ambil gambar.
Sekarang budak-budak muda sekarang. Aku cakap dia pakcik ni macam myself, I'm gonna text you my quote. Dia cakap dia lantak lah.
Minum
Sebab dia lantak lah. Bapak aku pun aku pukul. Budak-budak sekarang lah ni.
Bapak sendiri pukul.
Budak-budak sekarang lah. Tadi sekarang lah.
Okay, kita kena temu ramah tau. Temu ramah nak cakap berita. Tadi yang video fotografer tu nak ambil gambar. Tim kan ni, tim di India, tim Malaysia tu kan ada ramai. Malaysia punya tim, pasukan tim ni ada yang Sapati.
Okay. One.
My name is What? I'm from Kazakhstan. Miss Earth 2026.
Can you share your feelings winning this championship, winning this pageant tonight?
I'm so happy to be here. I'm so thankful for having me here. And for I'm so grateful.
Begini kasih.
To prepare this amazing event. And I'm so gorgeous. I'm so proud to be with my sisters, and thank you for the sisterhood, because I will continue all of this work with the Mrs. Earth ideas and willings. Thank you.
First time to Malaysia?
How?
First time to Malaysia?
This is my second time in Malaysia. I'm so happy to be here. It's a hospitable country. I love the culture. I love the people. I love the food. I love everything. Thank you.
Mrs. Can you introduce yourself first?
Hi everyone, I represent Russia and I'm really grateful to actually make you guys fall in love with me. And it's also my first time here in Malaysia.
What is your feelings winning this competition tonight?
В первую очередь я подумала о том, что вся Россия будет со мной, я их выбрала.
In the first place, I thought about that I actually did something really successful as a Russian woman, so everyone back home will be really proud of me.
Потому что каждый день они меня
Miss?
Because every day they send support and also they just throw out the whole competition, voted for me, and I just felt that I needed to achieve something for them.
What do you look forward by winning this competition? What you want to do in the future by this competition?
So I'm thinking about creating my own project about health and also about the environmental problems in the future. Also, I would love to add some tree planting to my project as well, because we did the same thing usually.
What is the message to the organizer?
Okey, ketika ini diadakan sidang media untuk setiap pemenang-pemenang yang di sini. So berbagai soalan ditanyakan dan pemenangnya tidak boleh berbahasa Inggeris.
Pakai Malaysia boleh tak? Tu kat ni.
To promote Malaysia and encourage relations between us and the West, and we will probably go to Penang, maybe Sabah and Sarawak. So our plan, we talked about this last year in Bernama with the Malaysian minister. You can see we pulled it off. It was amazing. The contestants were so great. The culture, the outfits they showed. And we took them to Dhaka. They were actually having like a kids festival there, and like 1,000 local Malaysian kids were seeing them and they were screaming and waving, and the queens were like, they were crying. It was such an emotional moment for them that they never expected that Malaysian people are so warm and so friendly. Really, really. So they want to come back, they wanted to keep being in Malaysia, they love the way we run things.
Can you share like what's the inspiration between this pageant competition, Miss and Mrs. What is the message that you want to bring, that the organizer want to bring to the people out there?
Okay, what makes Mrs. and Mr. totally different from any other pageant is that we are the #1 environmental pageant in the world. So not only do you have to be a beauty queen and you have to be smart, intelligent, speak well, you have to actually have a lot of advocacy to do with that. Whether you are looking after animals, cutting trees, in fact we took all the queens to Elmina, Fantari, and all of them planted a tree each, and now they have their flag and their trees in Elmina. And when they come back next year, we are going to plant more trees.
Since 2007, this is the first time Malaysia being the
This
host.
is the first time in
Any words?
Malaysia.
Any words from the organizer itself?
Well, I want to thank the CEO, Michael Michels, for actually entrusting Malaysia to do this job. It's such a big pageant to have the trust of Malaysia. And also, I think that we really are focusing on Visit Malaysia here, Tourism 2026. And I really think the government is doing a good job because they made everything so easy. Like there was no problem coming in, as long as we got all the letters and the visa, the immigration was so smooth. So this makes people really see this as a destination where they can appreciate the culture, the earth culture, and as well as meet different people in a wonderful setting. Thank you so much.
Finally you are here. You found her. Okay ya. Ni ada pasukan Malaysia ni.
I nak interview boleh?
You guys tengok.
So, pengalaman
Nampu
antara juara pada malam ini untuk Mrs. and Miss 2026 representing Malaysia and the honor as Malaysia sebagai tuan rumah untuk kali ini. How does it feel tonight?
We are so happy that we can bring back this title for Malaysia as a hosting country. We know that we will do more advocacy for Malaysia, for Mrs. Thank you so much.
And also looking at the title, right, Mrs. and Miss Earth, what do you want to do next after winning this competition? Like what advocacy you want to bring to the public after this?
There's a lot of things I need to do. But mainly my advocacy is for children. So I want to do a lot of things for children. Basically go to school, one school to another school, and teaching them what is taking care and protecting of people is very, very important. So that is my main thing. But there are other things that I would like to do with the government try to enforce, and basically planting more plants, more trees, and make Malaysia more beautiful.
How about you? Can you share something with me tonight? The same question as to like what advocacy you want to bring next to the public.
Okey. Saya rasa setakat ini saja kita buat live. Setakat ini saja, sebab jam dah menunjukkan pukul 1 lebih dah. Sudah agak lewat sebab kita target dia lebih kurang dalam pukul 12 selesai majlis, tapi disebabkan beberapa perkara teknikal dan beberapa perkara juga, jadi sedikit kesilapan berlaku. So hanya setakat ini saja kami bersiaran secara langsung di pertandingan Miss Earth dan Top Model Earth 2026 Glamorously Greens, Windham, di lokasi Windham Grand Bangsa, Kuala Lumpur. Okey. So kami akan kami ada rakaman, pihak kami kita ada buat live feed MCP. So kita akan masukkan siaran ulangannya, video rekodnya mungkin esok di Facebook ataupun YouTube. Terima kasih kepada anda semua yang masih lagi kekal bersama kami. Daripada pihak UTV Media mengucapkan selamat malam, selamat pagi semua. Okey, bye semua. Okey, kita ronda tengok sikit dah. Ini semua mak-mak ni, Mrs. Puan ni kan. Tapi yalah, penjagaan kesihatan badan. Nampak yang ni mak hijau kita. Rambut hijau. Hello, hi. Miss where are you from?
From the UK.
UK. Yeah. Okay, we are live now. Do you want to speak something to media?
I just want to say a massive thank you to all of my fellow pageant queens for making this week really, really memorable. It's been lovely to spend this week with everybody here in Malaysia, to try lots of different food as well, and to visit some amazing places. Almina Park was incredible, to plant trees, and we also went to Batu Cave. So it's been full of adventure and full of lots of glitz and glamour as well, and it's been really, really good fun. And yeah, I just absolutely love advocating for our planet.
Okay, bye. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Kita boleh cuba PM saya, cuba berikan komen. Anda nak saya temu ramah siapa? Di sini kita ada banyak negara-negara yang ada di sini. You all nak saya temu ramah siapa? Saya akan cuba dapatkan, sebab ramai di sini. Ni ada negara ni, macam negara China, Jepun. Oh, Malaysia. Tadi Malaysia kita dah temu ramah tadi. Kita dah temu ramah Malaysia tadi. Ini Malaysia, India ya. Kita dah temu ramah Malaysia tadi. Beliau dah bercakap tadi lah sebenarnya. Tadi ya, saya tengok India . Ini India kot. Sebentar ya, mereka sedang bergambar. So saya tengok siapa yang free. India tak boleh. India tengah ni, dia tengah kita tengok lagi ada India lain. Ni ada Mrs. India ni. Miss siapa nama Miss India? Ini Miss India kan? Bukan. Oh, bukan. Miss India mana? Baju merah saya ada. Mana dia dah hilang dah. Nak cari Miss India. Siapa nama dia? Miss India? Tak tahu. Mana Miss India dia baju merah je. Itulah dia dah hilang dah. Sebab dia datang dengan kawan-kawan datang dengan puak-puak penyokong beliau. This is Miss India. Miss India, where is Miss India? India.
She was Miss Malaysia
Miss Malaysia.
Yeah.
Miss Malaysia, yeah. So yeah.
last year.
Last year.
Yeah.
I have one fine India.
Oh, you're around. Good luck.
Yeah. Berbaju merah tapi tak jumpa. Siapa yang paling cantik ya? Siapa yang paling cantik? Wah. Susah nak jawab ni sebab semua jadi cantik walaupun Mrs. Puan ya. Tapi kemenangan tu apa yang saya dapat lihat ialah cantik tu ialah badan memang cantik lah kan. Penjagaan badan, kesihatan, semua dengan IQ yang tinggi, menjawab soalan-soalan dengan cukup mudah kan. Tulin. Siapa yang memang Tulin? Memang Tulin bang. Ini memang daripada wanita-wanita, puan dan miss kita memang semuanya Tulin belaka. Tak ada yang tak Tulin. Tapi ramai yang datang punya pengunjung, ramai yang tak Tulin. Tengok. So abang tengoklah sendiri mana yang tu. Mana yang kata yang cantik dia. Ada daripada Rusia pada. Cuba dengar bahasa dia, bahasa apa tu. Macam Rusia sikit, Rusia. Czechoslovakia. Ini Miss ni, ini kategori Miss. Ini Mrs. Ni rasanya India kot. Ni Miss India ya? Oh yeah, because okay, I'm a media. Okay, you want to say something? We are live now, Miss India. You won category?
Elite category. Yeah, I won in elite category.
Okay.
And I'm really thankful for Mrs. Earth to host this beautiful event in Malaysia. Because Malaysia is a beautiful country.
Yes.
I'm so proud to represent India in my category. And winning and getting back the crown is something which, I'm really proud to do that. I want to promote environment. I truly believe that small habits and small changes can create a big difference in life. You really don't have to speak big. You just have to take small steps to protect your environment, and that is our responsibility. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Bhumika.
Bhumika. Yes. Yeah. Congratulations to you. Okay. Namaste. Dah. Saya dah berjaya berjumpa dengan India ya. Umika. Macam itulah nama dia. Okay. So kita nak tutup live dah. You nak tengok mana? Nak tengok Miss yang mana? Bhumika. Bhumika. So saya nak tutup live tadi, tiba-tiba naik pula sampai 400-500. Jadi tak jadi saya tutup live. Kalau dia menurun lebih kurang bawah 100, saya akan tutup. So anda nak saya temu ramah siapa kat sini sekarang ni? Saya ada ramai pemenang-pemenang di sini. Ada Miss dan Mrs. Saya zoom ni.
Everybody in the hall, please take your seats.
Hello, hi. Where are you from?
From Canadian Islands.
Canadian Island. Okay, you want say something? We are live now, TikTok, about events. This event.
It's very important. It's a big honor for me to be here, and I want to say thank you for all the group musicians. Excuse me, are you? Thank you so much.
Okay, bye bye. Canadians. Okay, Thailand ya, nak cari Thailand. Okay. Thailand. Mana Thailand ni? Sebab kalau wajah-wajah dekat sini semuanya yalah berbeza, tapi kalau Thailand ni dia ada muka-muka macam Chinese sikit. So ini pun macam ni Jepun kita tahu, ini orang Jepun. Congratulations. You are from Japan. Japan. Say something. Say in Japan word. Japanese. Say something. We are live now. Konnichiwa. Konbanwa. Say something. Say. What do you think? What do you think about this event?
It's very nice. All the participants here is not only beauty, but they are so nice and kind and diligent, and also everybody is so lovely.
Japan kata. Okay, dah kita dah jumpa Jepun. Lihat di Thailand tak ni. Nak cari Thailand ni dalam keadaan macam ni susah ni nak cari Thailand ni. Lama kita punya viewers kita masih lagi 400 lebih ya. Masih lagi menonton, nak cari Thailand susah sikit. Ni Mrs. ni nampak susah lah nak cakap, nampak macam India pun, tapi your country, where are you from?
India.
Yeah? India. Yeah. Okay, we are live now. Media. You want can you say something? Can you say something? You win something? Yeah.
I'm the second runner-up.
Second runner-up.
In this category.
This category.
Yeah. It really feels good to be honored with the crown from the sir, because it's not just an crown; it comes with a responsibility.
Ada Tom Kai Se Ho. Okay. Congratulations dapat nombor 2. Okay, bye bye. You all boleh tulis komen nak cakap apa. Apa yang anda tulis saya cakap dengan dia. So dia balas. Bulat betul mata dia. Memang bulat lah mata dia. Ditambahkan lagi dengan solekan dia. Teknik solekan yang meletup lah kan. Lagi bertambah bulat lah jadinya. Ini yang merah ni betul-betul mata bulat. Betul-betul mata bulat bang. Betul. Jom kita berkenal dengan baju merah ni. Nak kata Cina pun bukan macam Cina, tapi macam arah-arah Rusia pun ada sikit. Muka dia. Betul India cantik lah. India cantik. Dia berbeza sikit muka dia kali ni. Dia hantar. Ni saya fokus, saya zoom. Saya zoom bang ya. Sekejap bang ya. Ni India tadi. Okey. Sebaiklah pakai handphone yang mahal sikit. Aduh, kalau handphone yang dulu-dulu ni tak dapat zoom jauh ni. Ni zoom jauh ni bang. Tak ada lighting. Kalau ada lighting lagi meletup lah. Kazakhstan tu Iyalah Kazakhstan ya. Jom. Kejap ada Kita nak kacau. Tak nak kacau. Cuba tengok muka ni. Ni muka daripada negara mana ni? Wajah daripada negara mana ni?
All the pageant queens, please come and take your magazine. Your magazine.
Hello.
Yes. Magazine.
Where are you from? Miss, huh?
Japan.
Japan.
Magazine.
Japan. Yeah?
Michael.
Japan also. Oh, Japan.
Everybody come and
Japan
take
ni.
your magazine.
Bukan Kazakhstan bang, bukan Kazakhstan ni. Kazakhstan. Jepun. Jepun. Kita mahukan cuci mata. Ya bang. Saya memang sebab itulah saya bawa ronda ni tengok boleh tengok sendiri wajah-wajah yang mewakili negara, setiap negara tu kita kadang-kadang kita boleh tahu, tengok wajah pun kita boleh kenal negara mana ni. 3, 2, 1. Ni daripada Jepun juga ni. Tadi abang dia cuci mata, saya dekat-dekat lagi.
2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
In Japan, though. Say in Japan. In Japan.
Nozomi crew staff.
Staff crew. Okay. Photographer and videographer. Team. Team Nozomi. Okay. Support. Ya, ini.
Oh yeah, she gets a second crown, right?
Alamak, nampaknya kita viewers tak turun lagi. Nak interview boleh. Katakan sesuatu tentang berakhir sudah event yang menarik ini. Seperti biasa, mungkin anda ingin katakan campurlah boleh English lah guys.
Apa nak I kata?
Dapat saksikan dari awal sampai habis. So, apa pandangan anda tentang kemenangan?
Ini pertama sekali di Malaysia, international for Mrs. Earth International and 42 delegates kan. So I kan judge kan. So it's amazing to see all these.
Ini first time in Malaysia ya? Sebelum ni dekat mana?
US ke Philippines, lain-lain tempat.
Okay.
So Malaysia first time because Amita dapat presidency for Mrs. Earth. She was awarded last year. So I'm very proud of her. Kan dia partner I untuk Universe.
Yeah.
So it's a great honor to have to host. Amita kan host. So it's amazing, truly amazing. Phenomenal. Ini yang sangat different and spectacular punya event. So it's good to promote Malaysia. So it's like bringing in lots of people.
Everybody come and put your magazine.
Ada komen yang rajin pergi gym Memanglah, bukan semua kan, dan you termasuk you.
I memang you tengok lah.
Ya betul lah, memang macam ni Jim. Amita, tengok. Wah bang kan, sebab ada komen kan, memang Jim kuat. Meletup bang.
So orang macam kita dah train, dah preparation dah lama dah. Untuk pergi pageant ni kena preparation banyak. You kena buang masa you, luangkan masa you lah.
Ya betul.
Ini bukan senang. You kena disiplin dalam your head, mind and soul, body semua.
Body soul semua ya.
Ya, kena. Kalau you nak pergi international.
Nak pergi international level tu semua
kena masuk semua. Duit pun kena ada. You can sustainability untuk independent woman lah. Kena strong minded lah. Macam ni lah.
Ya betul.
Bukan senang kan evening gown. You tengok lah investment untuk
Yalah memang.
Evening gown, traditional costume jangan main
semua.
Ya. Kena idea dia kena creative earth kan.
Semua kan.
I boleh tunjuk you my picture untuk earth. Paper bag.
Boleh tunjuk sekarang, kita ada masa lagi ni. Selagi kita punya viewers ni tak turun lagi 400 lebih ni, selagi itulah kita tengok. So rupa-rupanya ini dah pertama kali di Malaysia ya, di Malaysia. First time in Malaysia. Sebelum ni dia buat dekat banyak negara ya semua.
Different US, Philippines.
Yalah, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Yalah.
Tengok.
ni.
Ha.
Untuk Earth.
Nak jadi bukan sebarangan tau. Kena main gym.
Yeah.
Untuk dapatkan tubuh badan yang cantik.
Yeah.
Minda.
You're gonna mentally and physically.
Mental and
you gotta
physically.
prepare. And my partner is she's a very strong woman. My partner Amita Malhotra. Dia bukan yang she's a go-getter. So dia buat semua preparation ini untuk for this preparation like
Yelah. Few months. Bukan senang yelah.
Kena ambil tempat, you have to book the place. Tak boleh book hotel just like that. You kena ambil masa, deposit, it's all timing. Yeah.
Ada orang cakap you ada Iras Kavita Sidhu lah.
Ada.
Orang apa bang dia tanya.
I mix lah.
Mix lah. Bila nampak mix lah kan. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much kan. I buat live sikit. Okay. So bang, ada tinggal lagi 200 lebih. Kalau sekiranya turun lagi 200, saya stop live ni. Saya nak berkemas sikit sebab saya buat live feed tadi. Anda tahu live feed tu yang ditayangkan di skrin belakang. Bila ada satu-satu event, sama ada di hotel atau di mana-mana, bila ada skrin belakang tu ada video, itulah kerja saya untuk kali ni. Bukan hanya sekadar media saja, tapi saya buat live feed. Live feed tu bersama dengan MCP. MCP tu apa? MCP tu adalah multi camera production. So multi camera tu adalah kamera ada 3. So boleh ambil depan, kiri, kanan. Licin bikin tergelincir. Ya betul, dahi licin semua. Okay, dah pukul 1, dah pukul hampir pukul 2. So sekurang-kurangnya kalau anda kaum-kaum ibu yang melihat sendiri puan-puan ni, Mrs ni kan, you boleh tengok sendiri kan, walaupun mereka telah berkahwin tetapi badan mereka masih lagi cantik. Dan nak dapatkan badan cantik tu, menurut kata partner tadi tu, mestilah main gym lah, senaman, mental, physical, macam-macam lah. Rasanya itu dah tahu basically. Hello, hi. We are live now. You are from?
I'm from Guatemala.
Guatemala,
Central America.
Central America. You win something? Anything? Mrs. What's your name?
Wendy Serrano.
Wendy Serrano.
Yeah.
You have a child? You have a daughter? A child? Many?
I have 2 kids.
2 kids?
No kids.
No.
My daughter has 34 years and my son has 28 years.
Ya, Guatemala ni kurang gym ni. Guatemala apa?
Guatemala?
Guatemala ni dia kata dekat dengan Amerika tadi. Dia kata US je dekat dengan US. You say something to what do you think about this event? First time in Malaysia. Yeah.
I enjoyed this event. It's a responsibility to save the planet, and I love Malaysia.
Ini kurang gym lah. Ni kurang gym lah. You play gym? No play gym. Gym. No kan. Ni ada body montok. Dia cakap body montok lah. Do you know body montok? Body montok, your body apa? Lemah.
I speak a little English.
A little English, kan. Okay. How old are you?
I'm 53.
Huh?
53.
53. Oh, 53 dah. Kan.
Hello guys.
Okay. Kena minum teh sena. Betul tu, kena minum teh sena ni baru dia nampak lagi. Okay, itulah mak-mak kita semua ni. Inilah dia founder dia. Kan first time. Okay, nampaknya kita punya viewers dah jatuh kepada 195 orang. Jadi hanya setakat ini saja saya buat live TikTok. Terima kasih semua kerana melihat, kerana mengikuti kami daripada tadi lagi. Ampun dan maaf dipinta jika terdapat kata-kata yang agak kesat semua. Maklumlah, daripada pukul 5 tadi penat gila lah. Letih gila.
Join me with the
Hello. This one very popular, I know. Very popular. Very popular. Okay, we are live now. What do you think? What do you think about this event? First time in Malaysia.
Have a nice evening then. You too, Thank you for that.
Can you? What's your name, sir?
I'm Dr. Gina,
Dr. Jana.
Supermodel Universe International, champion for 2020, and International Beauty Queen. Portugal living in Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur. I attended Mrs. and Miss Earth
Miss
2026 glamorously green. So I would say Amita Malhotra, the organizer, did very well, amazingly done with 40 countries delegates, and everyone has their own talents and beauty and style, and they bring in and they break it on the stage with the winning power. So I'm glad for everybody. This is what it is. As being on the earth, you should do your duty, responsibility, and reason. As I'm here in presence, and I want all the human to be awake, aware about the earth, living in the earth, not about just living. You should do your responsibility to, to prevent the pollution, prevent anything is actually harmful to the generation. So this is all your duty. Please do what is required to do. That's what always God wants. And raise the humanity values and humankind for all lives and the earth.
Okay. Thank you, doctor. Thank you for the interview. Terima kasih banyak. Honor.
I'm honored today. This is what I have done today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Sangat menarik kata-kata ujar-ujar dia. Terima kasih banyak. Thank you. Bye. Okay. Dr. Gina ada komen? You ada mix ke? You ada mix?
Portuguese. Maybe my descendants have mixed blood. My bloodline. I don't know. But then I'm Portuguese.
Okay, Gina, thank you so much.
Originated from the gods.
The gods. Okay guys, sama kan. Nanti kita bukan semua orang suka sangat benda macam ni kan. Jadi ada yang dah suspend lah kan. Dah 2 kali dah ni. Kali ketiga nanti dia akan terbatal sendiri lah ni. Jadi setakat ni saja live kami. Thank you so much. Itu asli, memang betul. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera semua. Bye-bye. Anda boleh lihat video di UTV Media Malaysia, Facebook ataupun YouTube. Kita akan masukkan video-video pertandingan pada hari ini. Okay, bye-bye semua.